more important than how you make an introduction is how you respond to an introduction. This drives me crazy. This drives me absolutely berserk. I make a lot of introductions and I get to watch this day to day. When I make an introduction for you, I am putting my reputation on the line. I am vouching for you. I am saying this person is worth your time and you should answer this email and pay attention to it. And then what happens? The person I'm doing a favor for, the person I'm connecting with the door, the gatekeeper that they need to go through, drops the ball and doesn't say anything. Doesn't respond, doesn't say thank you, doesn't move it forward. Makes me look stupid. That is the only time I make that mistake. You don't get a second chance for me to make another introduction for you. When somebody makes an introduction on your behalf, follow up immediately.